Hey guys, we're at my favorite, my secret little creek spot. I've never done a video here because I just found it like a week ago. But this is one of my favorite holes to fish in. There's a lot of holes down there too. But this little creek is loaded. This little spot is just packed, chock full of fish. I mean, it's unbelievable. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's following it. Well, I got some worms. I'm going to probably use those later, unless they're hitting on this rooster tail good. It really doesn't matter what you throw, because there's just chock full of fish in here. There's smallmouth. There's just, probably most of them are warmouth. But there's smallmouth, there's warmouth, there's largemouth, there's carp, there's mudcats. And that's what I know of right now. There's probably catfish, maybe some white bass, because right up there, our river drains into this thing. But this place is just chock full of fish. So, without any further delay, I'm looking at fish up in there. We are going to catch one. Let's go. A worm might do better, but oh, one's after it. He just missed it. I caught like 100 here the other day. Oh, big one. There we go. First fish of the day. It's a nice warmouth, I think. Yeah, buddy. I saw him eat it. Come here. Yes. First warmouth of the day. Okay. Come here. That's a little one. That's like a decent warmouth. Okay. Something's wrong with his lip, but that's a decent one. Not that big of one, but it's an okay warmouth. I'll take him. I want to get a smallmouth. There's not that many smallmouths in here, but I've caught 2 last time I was here. Let me try over here. Oh, got him. That's a big one. Oh, no, he's not. I think it's a smallmouth. Is it a smallmouth? No, it's a warmouth. Warmouth. That's a nice warmouth. A little bit bigger warmouth. A little bit bigger warmouth. Little warmouth. Yeah. Watch this. Bare hook. Nothing on the hook. No bait, nothing. Okay? Watch this. Oh! I don't even need bait, I just missed one. Oh, and watch it. Bare hook. He just missed again. I caught the biggest. I forgot to film him, but he's a big one on a bare hook. Oh, darn it. I keep missing it. Come on. For the camera, there we go. Little guy on a bare hook. Come on, is that smallmouth? No. I'm a little. Whew. See if there's any fishies in there. Oh, got him. Ah, it's a little one. Darn it, I'm used to these. I don't want to catch these little squirts. That's a baby warmouth. But I'm hoping that's not what I came down here for. I saw a big fish jump when I jumped. I'm talking about like a 2-pounder. Oh, missed him. Let me try up on this rocky bank for smallies. Oh, yes. What is this? Small warmouth. Come here, Buster. Yeah, come here. I want to bring my fly fishing rod down here soon. Oh, got him. Big one, biggin, biggin. Big fish. Big fish, big fish. Big fish, oh yeah. Yes, baby, that's a nice smallmouth. Oh crap, he ain't done yet. He's not done with me yet. Ah! Oh no, it's a warmouth. It's a big old warmouth. I thought it was a smallie. Oh yeah. It looks like my hypothesis was right. Nice smallmouth. Whew. Nice smallie. Yes. Smallmouth. That was a warmouth. His first nice smallmouth. That was fun. Big fish. Biggin. Big fish. Oh yeah, smallmouth, smallmouth, smallmouth. Smallmouth, come here, buddy. Come here, come here. Oh, no, that's a warmouth. Whoops. I'm on. This beats carp fishing any day of the week. A little warmouth. Deep here. There's my first tug. Got him. Little guy. Surf him in. Little warmouth. Oh my goodness, look how fat this thing is. Holy crap, you think they're spawning in here? Look at that little fat little thing. Let's try this again. Oh, that's a long cast. We're capable. We got a fish on? No, we don't. Yes, big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish. Oh yeah, big fish, big fish, big fish. I think he's big. Hold on, I can't tell. He's caught on stuff. Oh yeah. Oh man, that is a nice warmouth. Nice warmouth. Oh yeah. Look at that warmouth. Oh yeah, that thing is beautiful. Holy cow. He didn't fight good because I got him snagged on. That's one of the biggest ones I've ever caught in this creek. Hold on, I'm gonna get a picture of him. Yes, baby. Look at this warmouth. Look at this warmouth. Woo! That's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. I'm gonna stop the video and get a picture, guys. See ya. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Oh yeah, big warmouth. Big warmouth.